Welcome to the Wordcraft Hub, जहाँ learning होती है simple, easy और interesting. Let's start today's video. Whatever you do before you sleep at night decides if tomorrow you move forward or stay stuck in the same cycle. Be honest, what is your night routine? Phone in your hand, scrolling reels, just 5 more minutes and suddenly it's 1 or 2 a.m.? Then guilt, I'll change from tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. But what if I tell you just 30 minutes of a simple night routine can change your life, your focus, your confidence, everything? In today's video, we're not just talking about a routine. We're building a simple system that helps you improve every day without stress. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wordcraft Hub. I'm Zara.
And I'm Daniel.
If you're a student or anyone who wants to improve their life, this video is very important for you.
Because we hear a lot about morning routines, 5 a.m. club, wake up early. But one thing people ignore is the night routine.
The truth is, if your night is bad, your morning can never be strong.
Exactly. No matter how motivated you feel in the morning, if your mind is tired, distracted, and overloaded at night, you've already lost.
So today, we'll talk about a simple, realistic, and powerful night routine that anyone can follow.
No complicated rules, no unrealistic habits, just practical steps you can start from today.
So let's begin and see how your night can change your whole life.
Let me tell you a short story. There was a boy, let's call him Arjun. His dream was simple, to do something big, improve his focus and achieve his goals.
But the problem was, every night looked the same.
After dinner, he would say, "Let me relax a bit," and pick up his phone. One reel, then another, then YouTube, then random videos.
He thought, I'm just chilling. But slowly, 30 minutes turned into 2 hours.
When he finally went to sleep, his mind was tired but not peaceful. Random thoughts, anxiety, overthinking.
And the next morning, waking up late, low energy, and guilt all day. I'll change from tomorrow. But the truth is, tomorrow never came.
One day, he changed just one thing. He fixed his night routine.
Just 20 to 30 minutes, phone aside, a little planning, a little reflection.
Just 20 to 30 minutes, phone aside, a little planning, a little reflection.
First night wasn't perfect, second night wasn't either. But after 7 days, he felt something different. His mind was calmer, he slept better, he woke up without struggle. And slowly, his life started changing.
And the most shocking part? He didn't take any big steps. He just changed 30 minutes of his night.
So the question is, does Arjun's story feel a little like yours? If yes, don't worry, because what we're about to share can help you create the same change. Okay, Daniel, what is the first step to improve a night routine?
The first step is simple, but most people ignore it. Fixed sleep time.
You mean sleeping at the same time every day?
Exactly. Your brain works on a system. If you sleep at different times every day, your body gets confused. So rule 1, choose a time and stick to it.
But the real problem is, people keep using their phone in bed.
Yes, and that's the biggest trap. So step 2, digital detox before sleep.
How long before sleep should we stop using the phone?
At least 20 to 30 minutes, because screen light tells your brain it's still daytime.
That's why sleep gets delayed, right?
Exactly.
So what do we do after putting the phone away? Won't it feel boring?
This is the interesting part. Step 3, create a wind-down routine.
Like what?
You can listen to calm music, do some journaling, or plan your next day. These things calm your mind.
So it signals your brain that it's time to rest?
Exactly.
People also overthink a lot at night.
Yes, and there's a simple solution. Step 4, brain dump.
What's that?
Write down all your thoughts, worries, or ideas on paper. It clears your mind.
So you park your thoughts for the next day?
Perfect.
So to summarize, fixed sleep time, no phone, calm routine, and writing your thoughts.
Exactly. And most important, you don't need to be perfect. Consistency matters more.
And these small changes create big results over time.
100%.
Now, an important question. Why is a night routine so powerful? Simple. Before sleep, your brain is in recording mode.
So whatever you feel or consume goes into your subconscious mind.
Exactly. If you scroll random content or negative things, your brain sleeps with that energy.
And you carry the same energy the next day.
Right.
That's why sometimes you feel low without reason.
Yes. But if you calm your mind before sleep, plan your day, think positively, your brain works in that direction the next day.
So night routine is the foundation of your next day.
100%. Successful people don't just control their mornings, they control their nights too.
If you want to change your life, don't start in the morning, start tonight. Tonight, just for 20 minutes, keep your phone away.
And try this simple routine. Tomorrow morning, notice the difference. Same energy or better?
If you accept this challenge, comment "starting tonight."
And if you like practical videos like this,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
because here we don't just talk, we create real change.
Imagine after 7 days, you wake up without struggle, your mind is clear, and you feel in control.
Maybe just one night can change the direction of your whole life.
We'll see you in the next video.
Till then, take care, good night, and make it count.
Audio Jungle.